The mattress company applied for IPO 6 years after the bedding chain was privatized at a valuation of $3.8 billion. Mattress Firm filed publicly Friday for an IPO that will return the bedding retailer to the public market some 6 years after it went private at a $3.8 billion enterprise valuation. The chain wrote in an S-1 filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that certain of its private investors plan to sell $100 million of stock via the initial public offering, although that's likely just a placeholder number. The company, which announced in September that it had confidentially filed to go public, provided few other details about its IPO plan, such as how many shares investors will sell and what price range they expect the stock to fetch. However, the chain did say that it intends to list on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol MFRM. That's the same ticker that Mattress Firm America's largest bedding chain by store count used prior to its exit from the Nasdaq in 2016. After South Africa's Steinhoff International took the company private. Steinhoff offered a 115% premium over where Mattress Firm's shares had been trading at the time, but the chain struggled once it went private. First, Steinhoff suffered from a 2017 accounting scandal that saw its CEO quit. A year later, MFRM filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy for the express purpose of getting out of leases and closing some 700 underperforming stores. Mattress Firm ultimately emerged from bankruptcy a few weeks later with about 2,600 outlets, which it's further trimmed back to roughly 2,350 stores today. Since the beginning of fiscal 2019, we have fundamentally transformed our business across all functions, the company wrote in Friday's S-1. We closed more than 950 stores, estimate that we have been able to recapture a significant share of sales from these closed stores through neighboring locations, as well as online. In addition, over the past 3 years we negotiated favorable modifications of lease terms for a significant majority of our stores. All in, Mattress Firm reported that net revenues rose 34.9% in its fiscal year ended Sept 28 to hit about $4.4 billion. However, higher expenses drove the company to a $165.1 million loss during the period via a $125.6 million profit a year earlier. For all of the day's IPO news, click here.